web visitors and design streamers. Welcome back to Code with PK, where we turn boring HTML into jaw-dropping designs and one tag at a time. Today we are talking about split navigation. What's that, you ask? Okay, it's like splitting a sandwich. One half goes to your left and the other to your right, and somewhere in the middle, maybe a logo or a slice of cheese if you are feeling fancy. Okay, if you are still using the same old basic Navbar, it's time to spice things up, because let's face it, your website deserves a little more drama than just a home and about us crammed together like siblings fighting over the neighborhood. So grab your keyboards, your sense of humor, and maybe a snack, because by the end of this video, your split navigation will look so good your design might just slide into someone DMs. Okay, so now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, let's create a new project by the name of Navbar with icons. So let's start and let's create it. First of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code and then let me create a one window, and then let me create a one file by the name of index.html. And I'm making this file in a document where anywhere you will make this file is your own choice, and we are only making one file of HTML because we are building only in HTML. So first of all, we define doc type declaration, then HTML, then head in which we write our our link we write, and link our CSS files like that. Now here I define href. In the href I am writing one URL https://cdn.js, then and cdn.js then you write here cloudflare.com/ajax, okay, and then /libs/font/awesome, and then /4.7.0/css/font-family font awesome.min.css. Perfect. Now we write our body element. In body element we write our HTML codes. So div and div class will be in Navbar A, then class of the A will be active, and then in the href we define hashtag, then here we define I, in which we add our icons fa/fa/home. Then what we write here, then we write here home and then space, then and one more time A, then hashtag, then here you write I, in the I you write class fa/fa/fw/fa/search. Then here we define then here we write search now. Perfect. Then what we can do here, a href hashtag I class fa/fa/fw and envelope. And now when we write here envelope, then we write here now contact in it. A href hashtag I class fa/fa/w/user. Then here we give the space and then we write here login. Perfect. Now when we do this, now we write our starting style. In the style we write our CSS code, and the CSS code will be written in our head section, because many people are saying why you are not writing the CSS code in the style section. So now I'm writing style section. .navbar width will be 100%. Okay, what width will be 100%. Then background color gives to the hashtag 555. Overflow should be auto. Now add .navbar e, and here we give the float left. Text align should be center. Text align should be in center. Padding should be 12 pixels, and then color should be white, and then text decoration should be none. Font size must be in 17 pixels. And then when you do this, let me add a little bit hover on it. Navbar.a hover. Background color I am adding hashtag 000. Then dot active, and it I am writing background color hashtag 04 AA6D. And then when we do this, we only press enter, press. Now we do it in the responsive media screen, and then here we write here max/width, and in it we write 500 pixels, and then dot navbar a should be float should be none, and display should be below. And now we write our all code. So we do not write JavaScript code in this video. There is not any JavaScript code, but the background color should be red, okay, and the hover should be in red, and in the hover we add transition should be 0.3 seconds, and the background color should be in black. Save it, and then let's open it your browser of the index.html. So let's see how it has been built. So now like that it is built, but when we click it, when we hovering it, so it is hovering very beautifully as like this. Now here you can see it like this, it is hovering. But I do not like the font, so let me add a font to it. Font family should be Poppin. You add any font is your own choice, and sans serif, save it in it. So now it is looking better. Here you can see it. Now when we hover it, so it will be like this. So here you can see in today's video we create our sidebar using with icons. So here you can see it, and in today's video we built it. So I hope you can hear this class. If you enjoy, so please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. So I'm using Nicholas, and next video I'm using like that type of videos. So now boom, your split navigation is now slicker than your favorite sandwich. No more boring navigation bars, only stylish web design goodness. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button harder than a browser refresh when your CSS doesn't work. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free unlike your web hosting bills. Catch you in the next one, and remember, life's too short for boring website. Keep splitting that nav like a pro. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class. So now for today, goodbye.